How do you get excited when you give a presentation? I often say that if you want to continue to be passionate in what you do, whether it's training, teaching, speaking, then try and think of the kind of value that the other person gets and how it's going to help the other person being able to hit his or her goals, the other person is able to become more confident, the other person is able to ace his or her interviews and oral examinations. I think that gives me a great sense of satisfaction. Speaking once, impacting 40 at one go, that gets me excited as well. So that's the second way. The third way to get excited is to really start thinking about how this particular approach, how I can become better in my subsequent presentation. You see, my friends know that when I give a keynote speech, sometimes I will say a particular point and I won't say it just once. In another occasion, I will say it again. In another occasion, I will say it again. Now, won't repeating that same point make it very, very boring for me? The answer is no. If I try and think of what is another way I can make that better? Is there another story that can help me deliver that point more powerfully? Is there another choice of word or words to help make that clearer to my audience? And if you think of it that way, these incremental improvements and progress is what keeps we going as us going as human beings. Yes? So feel free to try out these 3 techniques and let me know how it goes for you.